The ONePARTS application is a very powerful capability of SmartHQ service that offers exploded view drawings of the subsystems of GE appliances. Click ONePARTS to view exploded drawings of the appliance. It is an interactive, easy-to-use application where you can create a part list and submit the list for purchase from GEA. You can select the required parts and add them to a pick list. You can then email the pick list to a chosen recipient. Click Options and choose Email from the drop-down list. Then, enter the email address and click Send. This incredible feature makes it easy to find appliance parts that you are looking for. It provides detailed exploded views of the parts of a subsystem of the appliance. It also helps to create a list of parts to be purchased or emailed.